Realme's latest smartphone called Realme 13 is now official in India, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme 13 5G features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 580 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 10GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme 13 5G sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 2K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76.1 by 7.79 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 13 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in speed green and dark purple color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from September 6th. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 13 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.